Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a pie chart out of a dataset. I have a dataset here. There are 10 countries and population of those countries in million. To get the data, to get the pie chart, first of all I have to select the whole dataset. Remember, I have to select the header as well. Once you selected the data, we'll go to insert option on the top left, and then after that recommended charts in the middle. Click on it, and then pie chart is here in the middle. Then I have clicked it, and in the right side I can see the preview. Okay, and then we got the pie chart, but here one thing is missing, which is we don't know actually what is the population of those countries. We can correlate the name of the country and the color, by the color coding, but we want to get the level of the dataset of the whole portion. Let's click right click on the pie chart and then add data level. Then we can see that the levels already added here. So we can see what is the population of India. Then yes, here is the population of India, and what is the population of Bangladesh is 165 million. And if we want to take this level outside of this circle, then click on the level and again right click. Then from the drop down list, click on the format data levels here, and then here we can see in the right side is level option, which is level option, and then on the last option is which is level options again, and then level position in the level options. Then it is selected as best fit. So if we want to take the level outside of this circle, then click on the best fit. And so yeah, this is how we took the level outside of the circle. And then if you want to change the title of the pie chart, then you can just click on it and then rename it as per your need. And then after that, once everything is done, then click on the border of the chart and then right click and copy. Then you can paste it on a PowerPoint slide. So this is how you can create a pie chart in Excel. Thank you.